you guys could join me today. We are going to be styling my mantle for winter. So last weekend we took everything down right after New Year's. It's all done, put away, everything is cleaned, and I'm going to kind of try to keep it my style between like farmhouse and traditional New England. I'm going to try to kind of incorporate both, but keep everything pretty simple. I'm going for a simple look, and I'm not looking to spend any money. I have more than enough decor to go around. So I'm just going to be, I shopped my house and I found specific pieces that I thought would go pretty great with what, you know, the style that I'm looking for. So I hope you guys all had a great holiday and a great new year, and 2022 finds us all in a much better place this year, healthy and happy and, you know, ongoing with life. Also, a quick thing, a lot of you guys had messaged me and asked me to link my shirt or my jewelry or anything like that that I can link in the videos because you guys were interested. So thank you for taking interest. And yes, I will link down my sweater. It's from Scoop. I will link my jewelry, which these two necklaces are from Amazon, and anything else I can think of that I'm wearing or that you see, I will list down. Just so you know, nothing in this video or any link that I list are items that were given to me or paid promotions or anything like that. I purchase everything myself, and with Amazon and things like that, I do get a teeny tiny little commission at no cost to you. And so let's get started. So I cleaned off everything. So now we're just with a blank slate. Let me just move you over a little bit. So this is the mantle, and this is what we're going to be working with today. So like I said, I want to do kind of, oh, I hope my hair is good back there. Didn't even check the back. I forgot I was going to be in the mirror. But do you guys do that? Like, as long as the front looks good, you're good. I kind of do that all the time. But anyway, so I gathered a few things from the house, and let's get started and position things and see what we can come up with. Okay, so we're going to be starting on this side, which is my left side. So I thought for there, I would, again, keep it extremely simple and just use black candlesticks that I got from Amazon. So I will link those down there for you. And also I put in the long candles that are battery operated, so I could keep the kind of glow going and I don't have to worry about, you know, fire next to anything. So these were the three that I had. So they're just the three, and they're different lengths. So one is like super tall. I'm gonna have to adjust you. Hang on one second. That's a little bit better. My mantle is really tall. I am too, but it's a lot taller. So I'm just gonna place these three. And I don't know if I wanted to do like, I think the three just like down and around is kind of like overdone. I think so many people do that, want to kind of jazz it up, be a little bit different. So I think I'm just going to switch them around. And I love these candles, and they take a battery. The only thing I wish is that they came with a remote. These particular ones don't, but they do give off such a pretty glow. So let's just turn them all on. And I don't know about you guys do that, but like when we're in here at night and we're watching TV, we do like the glow of candles and things like that. It's just so beautiful, especially in the winter. So those are the three candlesticks I'll be using. Let me just lift you up a little bit so you can kind of see. Maybe it's better if I just keep you down. There we go. So we're just going to leave those three up there. And then I thought, just for a little pop of greenery, something small, I got these, I think I got these from Target, but it was so long ago. I'm sure they have something similar, and if I can find something similar, I will link it down for you. But I figured I would just add a little pop of greenery right there to the side. And see what I mean? It's very beautiful, but yet minimal. And I kind of just, I don't know, kind of just been kind of gravitating toward that this year. So we're gonna keep that there. And then one of the things I did buy, but I bought it way before Christmas. It was just one of those things at Hobby Lobby that was in like a little clearance section. So I bought these beautiful wooden beads, and they're a brown wood with the tassels. So I thought I would just kind of display that right in front of the mirror. just kind of shape it just like that. And then for a little pop of a real glow of a candle. So I have this little votive and I have this beautiful ornate antique candle holder that I got some time ago. So I thought just for like a little glow that was real, I would just kind of leave that right in the center. And I just think that looks good. So let's go over to the other side and see what we can do over there. So now we are on the other side. So this will be the right side. So I figured what I would do is just use my old book of literature that I got, I think I got it at Salvation Army. But I thought I would put that right there. And then this I got, as you can see, clearance from Hobby Lobby a long time ago. And I think it was only $6. But I kind of liked the black and I liked the greenery. The greenery I already had. So I figured I would just put that up here on the book. So again, I have black and greenery on that side, and then some black and some greenery over here. And then just for one final touch, I also have these 3 old green books. And I think I'm gonna keep them this way, but I'm gonna keep this page outward. I think I'm gonna keep it just like that. Maybe just slant it a little bit. There we go. And I love it. So let's just get back and take a full view of everything. Okay guys, so this is what my mantle looks like. Again, very simple, very farmhouse yet traditional. And I think it just looks beautiful. And by the way, this mirror I got at Salvation Army quite a long time ago, maybe last year or the year before, and it was a gold color, and I just kind of antiqued it with some white chalk paint and a little antiquing wax. So here's an overview. And that's how my mantle is going to stay through the winter, probably until I would say March. We will leave it just like this. So thank you so much guys for watching my video today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I have an unboxing coming. I'm still waiting for the box to get here. So hopefully it's gonna arrive Thursday or Friday. So I will have my video of my unboxing on Saturday so you guys can see what I got and the price, and you just will not believe it. I can't even believe it still. But I hope you enjoyed this. Any questions or comments, please leave them in the description box below. And also anything, my jewelry, my sweater, anything on my mantle, anything I can link for you, again, will be listed in the comments below. So I hope you guys have a great time, and I will see you guys on Saturday. Bye guys.